Lake Powell is an artificial reservoir on the Colorado River in Utah and Arizona, United States. Lake Powell, the country's second largest reservoir, is drying up. The West's climate change-induced water crisis is now triggering a potential energy crisis for millions of people in the Southwest who rely on the dam as a power source. Over the past several years, the Glen Canyon Dam has lost about 16% of its capacity to generate power. The water levels at Lake Powell have dropped around 100 feet in the last 3 years. Long-term water level decline continued, forcing an emergency release of water from the Flaming Gorge Reservoir in July 2021. And by April 22, 2022, Lake Powell was at 3,522.24 feet in elevation, just 22.88% of capacity. This marks the lowest water level for Lake Powell since it was filled in 1963. Glen Canyon is home to dynamic and constantly changing landscape. Since 2001, declining water levels due to climate change and 20 years of drought have reshaped Lake Powell's shoreline. Today the lake is experiencing low lake levels and their effects on boat ramp access points, on lake facilities, and the landscape. The lake's main body stretches up Glen Canyon, but has also filled many, over 90, side canyons. The lake also stretches up the Escalante River and San Juan River, where they merge into the main Colorado River. This provides access to many natural geographic points of interest, as well as some remnants of the Anasazi culture. Glen Canyon was carved by differential erosion from the Colorado River over an estimated 5 million years. The Colorado Plateau, through which the canyon cuts, arose some 11 million years ago. Within that plateau lie layers of rock from over 300 million years ago to the relatively recent volcanic activity. Pennsylvanian and Permian formations can be seen in Cataract Canyon and San Juan Canyon. The Mincopi Formation, which dates from 230 million years ago, Triassic period, and the Chinle Formation are found at Lee's Ferry and the Rincon. Both formations are the result of the ancient inland sea that covered the area. Once the sea drained, windblown sand invaded the area, creating what is known as Wingate Sandstone. It is a major vacation destination visited by approximately 2 million people every year. It is the second largest artificial reservoir by maximum water capacity in the United States behind Lake Mead, storing 25,166,000 acre-feet of water when full. However, Lake Mead has fallen below Lake Powell in size several times during the 21st century, in terms of volume of water, depth and surface area.